Hello everyone, it's Myra and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about my favorite thing ever, which is apple cider vinegar. I'll be sharing how I have been using apple cider vinegar and how you all can take all the beauty advantages of apple cider vinegar. We all know apple cider vinegar has some beauty benefits in it. So what are they and how we can use it? So I'm going to tell you how I have been using it. First of all, I would love to tell you all it's a really good toner, and trust me, I have been using it. It reduces your inflammation and all the redness you get onto your skin. It just reduces it and it works like a wonder. So since I have acne prone skin, so yeah, my skin usually gets breakouts very easily. So this is the solution to my breakouts too. So apple cider vinegar actually prevents your ingrown hairs, and trust me, I have been using it. So let's see how you can treat your acne, tone your skin and prevent your ingrown hairs. So here I have taken 1 cup drinking water in a bowl. Now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar to it. So guys, here we are ready with our mixture. Let's apply it onto our face with a cotton ball or a cotton swab. Just dip your cotton ball into the mixture. Squeeze it up a bit. It contains malic acid, which helps you to fight with your acne, and it helps us to maintain our pH balance, which makes less breakouts. So here your skin is toned. After using the razor, you can apply it onto your skin. It works as magic to prevent your skin from ingrown hairs. You don't need to rinse your face or your body after the application of apple cider vinegar. So yeah, we all know that we can use apple cider vinegar on our face. But did we know that apple cider vinegar can be the reason for your shiny and lustrous hair? No, we didn't. So here you can see that I have added 1 cup drinking water in my spray bottle. And now I'll add 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar in my spray bottle. So my remedy to shiny and lustrous hair is ready. Spray this onto your hair after taking a head bath. This spray will give you the intense shine and lustrous hair. So that's all for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video, and let me know in the comment section below how did this work for you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.